Rocket Preschool!
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Grace and today I'm going to be teaching you how to draw Owlette from PJ Masks, so let's get started. So first what we're going to do is we're going to do kind of like a swoopy V, the shape. So we're going to start from the top left and we're just going to do this V shape. Just like that. See, it's kind of like this V shape. And then next we're going to draw, on the left side, we're just going to draw the back of the, like kind of the ears of the mask. Just go ahead and do that. And then we're going to draw the top of her head. That's just going to be just like a half circle. And then next we're going to draw the rest of the mask. So we're just going to start with the ears and go our way down. So it's just going to be 3 humps on each side. So we're going to do, from this side, we're going to do 1, 2, and 3. And then we'll do the same thing on the other side. We'll do 1, 2, and 3. All right, and then after that, after we've drawn these 3 humps, we're gonna go ahead and draw a U. And it's just gonna be, you know, just a regular size U. So we're just going to do, okay, just like that. This is what you should have. So this is like the shape of her head. And we're going to go ahead and finish it off with drawing the mask. So we're going to go just some curves for it. And then this is going to be the tip of her nose. So we're just going to go like that. So this is what it should look like. And then next we're going to draw her nose and her smile. So that's super easy. We're just going to do one curve here. Then we'll give her a nostril. So we'll just do one little line right here. And then we'll do, just for the bridge of her nose, we'll do a slight curve, like that. And we'll do her smile, which is super easy, just one curved line. And we'll give her one of these guys. And then we'll go ahead and do her eyes now, and that's just gonna be an upside down U, just like that. And then we'll do another one for the other side of her eye. And then we're going to take these 2 points at the bottom and we're going to connect them. Just like that. And then we'll go ahead and give her some eyelashes, because why not? Then we'll go ahead and just do a little swoop for her eye. And let's go ahead and do it on the other side. Just even it out. Make it. Then I like to make her eye a little darker, that way it's a little more even. And then let's go ahead and do the color of her eyes. So it's just a bunch of circles, so we'll just do one big circle on each side, just like that. Then we'll do a medium-sized circle, but smaller than the circle we just drew for her pupil on each side. And then we'll do a smaller circle than the one that we just drew for her highlight. Just like that. And then I like to go ahead and color in her pupils black. So just go in with your marker and you can go ahead and do that. Okay, and this is what the face should look like. And then next let's just go ahead and draw her neck and her shoulders. That way it's just more than just her face. So we'll just do 2 lines for her neck, like that. And then 2 little humps for her shoulders. And then she is wearing a cape, so we'll go ahead and draw like the top part of her cape. So we'll do like kind of like from the middle of her shoulder, we'll do, and it's going to be like a V shape. We're going to do a V here, and then we'll do another V. And then that's how you draw Owlette. So at this point you can go ahead and color. I'm going to go ahead and just take a minute. I'm going to keep her colors the same, so I'm just going to be a red suit and with some pink accents to it, and then I'll see you guys in a minute. All right, and this is our finished owlet. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and I hope you guys made it your own, and we'll see you guys in the next video.